Profitable trade. Profit. Another profitable trade. Another profit. I'm making money. Hello dear traders. Now I'm back with an exclusive trading system that produced an insane profit. In this video, I'm revealing one of the best strategies that you can use with the Super Trend Indicator. Super Trend Indicator is one of the most used indicators by new traders, because it is easy to read and it fixes a major concern of new traders, which is entries. Super Trend Indicator is a really popular indicator because it gives entry signals, and people believe it is profitable. But I can guarantee you that, if you follow this indicator by itself, you are most likely to lose money in the long run. Don't worry if I sounded too pessimistic. In today's video, I will show you another simple strategy that you can use the Super Trend Indicator, and still be profitable. Make sure to watch my other video about Super Trend Indicator. If you're still a new trader and you want to find a very simple indicator that not only tells you the direction of a trend, but also gives specific buy or sell signals that you can just follow immediately, then the Super Trend is the perfect indicator for you. Super Trend Indicator is a trend-following indicator, as you can understand from its name, but it also uses the ATR, which is the average true range. And, since it uses the ATR, it generates entries based on the volatility, in addition to momentum. This strategy works pretty well on crypto, stocks, and Forex. Make sure to watch this video till the end, so you don't miss anything important. This strategy is incredibly accurate and will help you make money. This basic strategy, it's super easy to follow and it's very profitable. I should mention that nothing in this video is financial advice, and remember that it's all for informational purposes only, therefore I'm just sharing it with you because I thought it was pretty accurate and profitable. If you pay attention to the points I explained in the video, you will experience profitable trades. And the only thing I'm asking in return is for you to spend 1 second of your time to like the video and subscribe to the channel, as it helps with the channel a lot. And before we continue, if you have any suggestions for future videos or just questions about trading, you can drop them in the comments below. I'm still a small channel, so I'll still have time to read and reply to all of the comments, so without further ado let's continue with the video. You can backtest different time frames and different charts. Here we are on a gold 15-minute chart. Now let's add indicators to the chart. The main indicator that we will use in this strategy is called Super Trend. This is what it looks like. A single line that switches from green to red and vice versa. And how you use it is pretty self-explanatory. If the line turns green, meaning you take a buy position, and if the line turns red, meaning you close your previous buy position and open a new sell position. But there's actually one big problem. If you use the strategy this way, because the Super Trend Indicator is constantly giving out signals non-stop, so when you're using this indicator there are no times where you don't take any positions. It's either you are forced to take a buy or sell position. There are no stops, so this can be a huge problem, because if you're a trader, you need to know that the market isn't always trending. The market can also go in a range. So, because the Super Trend is constantly showing signals non-stop, meaning it will also show signals when the market is on a range. So, what we need to do is filter out these range markets, so that we only take signals from the Super Trend if the market is actually trending. There are many ways to filter out these fake signals. So, I will backtest one of these strategies in this video. Our second strategy is a little more complicated than the first strategy that I explained in my other video, but it is more profitable according to my experience. This time, we are going to add 3 Super Trend indicators on our chart. I know the chart looks like a mess right now, but don't worry, we will take care of that in a second. We will make some adjustments before starting to trade. First, I will make some style changes, so our chart will be cleaner. I will close the buy and sell signals, and also the buy and sell highlights. We will apply this change to all of the indicators. For the first indicator, I will change the period to 12 and the multiplier to 3. I will repeat this change with different numbers for the other 2 indicators as well. For the second indicator, the period will be 11, and the multiplier will be 2. And, for the last one, they will be 10, and 1 respectively. Don't worry if you are lost, I will explain the strategy. Now let's get into the trading rules. We're only going to be looking to buy, only if all the lines changes into green color. Note that all lines must be green. Changing the color of 1 or 2 lines is not enough. And as soon as all our conditions met, we will go ahead and place a long order at the close of trigger candlestick. We will set our stop loss slightly below the middle super trend line, and we will be targeting 2 times the risk, or we can triple. going to be looking to sell if all the lines changes into red color. Note that all lines must be red. Changing the color of 1 or 2 lines is not enough. And as soon as all our conditions met, we will go ahead and place a sell order at the close of trigger candlestick. We will set our stop loss slightly above the middle super trend line, and we will be targeting 2 times the risk, or we can trail stop by the middle super trend line. Now you have an idea about how to trade with this strategy. So, let's actually do our back testing and see how well the strategy would perform in different market conditions. I just finished the back testing. Our win rate is crazy high 70%, and we increased our account size by 120%. I found those 100 setups within 6 weeks. We had 6 consecutive wins against 4 consecutive losses. So overall, the strategy definitely showed some good results. Please don't forget to backtest these strategies before trading them. You should never trust a strategy you see online, just because a trading mentor tells you it is good to go. And you can improve your strategies while testing them, because sooner or later you will start to see some patterns. I hope that I could explain the strategy well, and you understood it perfectly, but if you have any questions, feel free to shoot them up in the comments. And feel free to share your trading results with me. Check out the channel to learn more about some other scalping trading strategies using some of the best free TradingView indicators. Please leave a thumbs up if you find this video useful, it really helps with the channel. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future to help you become a more profitable trader, then feel free to subscribe. Have a fantastic and profitable day.